There, welcome back to the channel. Instagram just rolled out something fresh and fabulous. Gold Notes. If you're looking to give your notes a little extra sparkle, then you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through how to get this awesome new feature so you can start adding some serious shine to your Instagram game. Let's dive in and make your notes stand out. Once you have opened up your Instagram app, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Now tap on the note. To avail the gold option, you have to add the gold word in your notes. In either ways you want. If you want to add the gold word single, you can add that. You can also use the word gold in a sentence or a phrase, whatever you want. Just you have to mention gold in there. So I am writing and tap on share. See? Now your Instagram is all set with gold notes. Isn't it great to be ahead of the curve with the latest features? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all the cool new things Instagram is rolling out. So, see you in the next video.